go again. Yeah, let me see if I can get it good this time. Alright, y'all. Live action 2.0.
That's UGA's Iron Horse. Go Dogs.
Okay. I got a video of this too. Oh my god, dude. Here we go. Alright, University of Georgia. Bunch of money over there. Alright guys, here we go again. Back to the river. I'm gonna rip this thing. Go back to the honey hole and check that out first. Let's see. Who are these dudes? Holy cow. Coming in hot. That was a run right there, dude. There's a log right there.
Grab that limb. Grab that limb.
I'm on it.
Just kind of pull it. Keep it the boat. Grab that limb. Let's go. Yeah. The little guy. Oh man, I was sure that time. I like this lure. Yeah, I think I threw that over. Ooh, is that another one? That's a good one. How good? Oh, it's a good one. Yeah. They might like that though,
Dude. That's a good one. Shit. White bass. Okay. We're doing it. This is the greatest fishing hole in the world right now. We are on it. These white bass and crappie everywhere. Oh yeah, that is a good one. Wow. Okay. We're back, bro. Alright, you ready? Got it? Ready, two. I think you came off. Shit. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Right there on the. I'm right there with it. Over you. What the fuck? Digging? Looks big, dude. Pulling. That's a bass or something, dude. Come over here. Yeah. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. Now we're talking. Yeah, it is. It is a good one. Okay. All right, we're waxing. That's what we're working with. Yeah. Ripping them with this guy. What's this thing called?
Dirt bag.
Wrong answer. Oh, I saw him in the water. I saw him hit it. Look at that.
Oh, it's a largemouth.
That's a fucking clunker, dude. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this.
All right, there's your first hybrid. Get them in the boat.
You got red eyes, too.
Oh, that's a cool fish. That's a bass. Dude, we're gonna rotate.
That's a pig, boy.
Here we go. Oh, did he come off?
Here we go. I know, dude. Where's those pliers?
Are they under that shirt?
It's like he got both sides of his mouth. It's a good one. White bass. Okay. Still doing it. Water in this corner is a hot corner. Not a hot corner. Let's go. We just crushed him over there, by the way. We're just taking a lunch break. We're on it. We're just floating. Such a good spot. Dude, I turned it off, dude. Oh my gosh. I called it too. I said, what a spot, and then I turned it off. I think we'll be all right. Shallow over there. awesome place to fish, dude. It really is. Little guy?
Little turtle.
All right, guys, we decided just to go ahead and head on back to the spot. We're doing it. We know where they're at.
Get a hammer by a jig.
Yeah.
Where at? In the middle?
Yeah.
What do you throw to that green curly tail?
Yeah.
Look at it. Don't.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'll think of it. Deer stand. She's bouncing. She's a bouncer. Wow, is that shallow? That was awesome, dude. What an amazing day. All right, let's see what Maverick's got. Come on, player. Look at him going sideways. You got her. Old pro, isn't he? You getting them ready? Already? Yeah. Oh, dude. That's a hog. That's a hog. Wow. Look how some of them have bloodshot eyes, dude. It's crazy. It's weird. It's a sewing machine. Dude, that one's probably 3 or 4 pounds, probably. Look at him.
Some little guys.
Did I just feel a raindrop? Let's go. Those are the white bass. Those are good fish. Wow, it's starting to rain. No way. Look at the size of this thing, dude. It's like almost as big as this bass. Golly. I think we went at a good time because of the storm, you know. How do your hands smell?
Pretty good.
Oh, are you counting right now? I forgot that we were even counting. Look at these two.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. Hogs. These are like 3 or 4 pounders.
You get a nugget out of it, I guess.
Damn near perfect one on that little guy.
That's a fish nugget for sure.
Get some of that. Big boy? Alright, let's see. Alright. Look at that thing, dude.
I left some meat on it, but it'll be fine.
Our fishing video is gonna be awesome. Yes, all. Alright. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Shout out to
I just
Dolly
needed
Parton.
Matt to show me real slow that one time.
Sample. Hot.
Oh yeah.
Alright, here we go.
This is one of my favorite.
I thought that was about to be the Hardy Boy commercial.